Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send XRP from your Trust wallet to Gemini in 2025. Whether you're looking to trade, stake, or just manage your crypto better, this step-by-step tutorial will have you transferring your XRP in no time. It's super important to stay updated with the latest interfaces, so let's make sure you're good to go. First things first, before we start, ensure you have the Trust Wallet app installed on your phone and a verified Gemini account set up. You'll also need some XRP in your Trust Wallet balance. Remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open your Trust Wallet app and unlock it with your PIN, Face ID, or whatever security method you use. Once you're in, scroll through your assets and tap on XRP to select it. Step 2. Hit the Send button. This will bring up a screen where you can enter the recipient's details. Now, you need Gemini's wallet address for XRP. Log into your Gemini account on their website or app, go to your wallet section, and copy the XRP deposit address. Make sure it's the correct one. Gemini might have specific addresses for different networks, so double-check for the XRP ledger network. Step 3. Paste the address into the To field in Trust Wallet. Then, enter the amount of XRP you want to send. Don't forget to leave enough for any network fees. XRP transactions are usually cheap, but fees can vary. Step 4. Review the transaction details carefully. Look over the address, amount, and fees to ensure everything's accurate. If it all looks good, hit Confirm and authorize the transaction with your wallet's security features. Once the transaction is sent, you'll get a confirmation on your screen. It might take a few minutes for it to appear in your Gemini account, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Trust Wallet transaction history to track it. And there you have it. That's how you send XRP from Trust Wallet to Gemini in 2025. Always prioritize security by using hardware wallets for larger amounts and staying vigilant against scams. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.